It's done! What do you think? It's so cute, right? Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a Cinnamoroll pudding from Sanrio. Just look at this adorable package! The instructions are written on the back. I'm really excited! Let's open it up right away! Inside, we have the pudding powder, baby blue caramel sauce for drawing the face, and of course, a cute Cinnamoroll pudding mold. You can even make the face and the little bud separately. It's seriously adorable. I'm so excited! First, get a mug ready. Pour in the pudding powder. It smells sweet and delicious already. Looks good too! Now, add milk and mix well. Even though the milk is cold, the powder dissolves nicely. Once it's mixed, microwave it. Be careful, it might bubble over. It should like this. It's super hot, so please be careful. Give it one more stir and let it cool a bit. Once it's slightly cooled, pour it into the Cinnamoroll mold. The mixture is smooth and beautiful, looking good. Let's pour the rest into the mold for the little bud too. Wow! This kit is perfectly measured. It fits it just right. Now, chill it in the fridge until it sets. It's ready! It looks nicely firm. Let's take it out of the mold. Use a toothpick to loosen it. It should come out smoothly. Just like this. Great! The toothpick slides in easily. Okay, let's unmold it. Oh, it popped out perfectly! So satisfying! It really looks like Cinnamoroll. So cute and I'm so happy! Now for the little bud. Ready, go! Yes! It came out perfectly too! Isn't this just the cutest? Let's adjust the bud placement a bit. Carefully. There we go. Looks great! Look at that! It totally looks like Cinnamoroll. The face is a little smashed, but oh well. It's still adorable. When you touch it with a spoon, you can really feel the jiggly texture. Looks delicious! Now, time to draw the face using the baby blue caramel sauce. This part's important. Can I do it? I'm nervous. Wow! The color is such a pretty baby blue. Totally Cinnamoroll. Okay, let's fix it with a toothpick. I think that works. Maybe. Now for the mouth. This one looks tricky. Let's give it a try. Oh, looks okay. It's actually not bad. Well, let's fine-tune it with a toothpick again. I'll take it. And finally, it's done! What do you think? It's so cute, right? The color, the shape, it's totally Cinnamoroll. It's easy to make, super cute, and perfect as a souvenir from Japan. Let's dig in! Itadakimasu! Looks so yummy! Yummy! The sweet milky flavor is amazing! On this channel, I share lots of fun Japanese DIY candy kits like this one. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!